Breakfast time again. Bacon and eggs. Going up here in the camper van. What do we got for a view today? Oh shit, is that the Hoover Dam? Dang. The Hoover Dam. So wash out the Hoover Dam, or water would flow over this once it gets that high. Clearly the water is very low. A gigantic hole going to the other side. Other side of that hole. Man, I'd love to skateboard or roller skate down that thing. Man. You can hear water in there, something coming through here. Another spillway. Right there. There it is, you can see the line where the water should be.
I've had 2 week jobs, but I worked at a food factory, and you didn't get that many hours, so it was like I had to supplement it with like government. And
This looks like the place to get down into that water right here.
I'm like, okay, I'll check it. You get off of it, and people go, oh man, I don't want to do this. I was like, dude, I don't even want to be on. I just have to because I have to. Like, no, dude.
It's a big ass fish down there.
Hoover Dam thì thôi, nói ổng như vậy, để qua đâu biết ra cái ổng được.
Thing's a beast. Whatever it is, it's pretty freaking big. Got the dam right here in full swing. Take a look down this side.
It's the 6th biggest state. That means the rest of the state has nothing.
And the flip side.
In addition to the functional aspects of the dam, there are artistic designs portraying the purpose and need of this noteworthy engineering.
Let's see that one more time.
Arizona side depicts the Native American tribes.
Guy over here says the height of the water where they want it, where it was originally supposed to be, is that step rail right there. Where those steps just stop and the dock's supposed to touch it. That's where the dock is supposed to be, and that's how high the water should be. The upper mark is a flood mark. When the water flooded, that washed all that out, and now it's got to start. It's continuing to become brown again from corrosion and elements that grow on it. But let's get that one more time.
Brought around you, sound, shape, color, and texture is a bygone era.
Built in 1931, ended in 1935, it appears.
The accomplishments of the building genius of America. In the same way the pyramids represent ancient Egypt, the Colosseum represents Rome. first glance, one is usually drawn to the massive flagpole that proudly displays the American flag and the banner of the Department of the Interior. At the top of the flagpole, 142 feet above the sculpture, you see a golden ball. The ball points to where the center of our sun was on September 30th, 1935, the day President Franklin D. Roosevelt dedicated the dam. On the Toronto floor you are standing on, embedded are 209 metal discs. Each disc is scaled to the exact diameter for the relative apparent magnitude of all of the stars visible with the naked eye from this exact location at 8:56 p.m. on the dedication date. The timing for creating the celestial chart, according to the artist, was that he believed that someday, somehow, future civilizations would find their way here, and with no other means of communicating, might look upon this monument and determine the exact date on which the engineers and craftsmen of our culture completed it.
Palm trees. That's how it was done.